Hello everyone, is your car struggling to shift gears or does it feel like it's slipping while driving? If your OBD-II scanner shows P0729, Gear 6 incorrect ratio, your transmission isn't working as expected in 6th gear. In this video, I'll explain what P0729 means, its symptoms, and, most importantly, where to find the affected sensors and components. Let's get started. What is P0729? The P0729 trouble code occurs when the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, detects an incorrect gear ratio in 6th gear. This issue affects transmission shifting and can lead to major performance problems. Common symptoms of P0729: transmission slipping in 6th gear, harsh or delayed shifting, reduced fuel efficiency. Check engine light on limp mode activation. If you're experiencing these issues, let's locate the key components causing the problem. Sensor and component locations. Where to find them? To diagnose P0729, check these key components. Transmission input, speed sensor, ISS sensor. Location, mounted on the transmission, near the input shaft or bell housing. Function, monitors transmission input speed and sends data to the PCM. Transmission output speed sensor, OSS sensor. Location, near the transmission output shaft, usually at the end of the transmission housing. Function, tracks vehicle speed and helps calculate gear ratios. Powertrain Control Module, PCM. Location, under the hood, typically mounted near the firewall or battery. Function, controls transmission operation and detects gear ratio errors. Transmission fluid and valve body location, inside the transmission pan under the vehicle. Function, regulates hydraulic pressure for smooth gear shifts. Wiring and connectors. Location, between the ISS sensor, OSS sensor and PCM. Function, transmits crucial speed data. Damaged wiring can cause incorrect readings. Common causes of P0729. Common causes of P0729: faulty transmission input speed sensor, ISS. A failing ISS sensor may send incorrect input speed data. Defective transmission output speed sensor, OSS. If the OSS sensor fails, the PCM miscalculates gear ratios. Low or dirty transmission fluid, contaminated or low fluid, can disrupt gear engagement. Faulty transmission valve body. If the valve body is damaged, shifting problems may occur. Wiring or PCM issues. Broken wires or a malfunctioning PCM can cause incorrect ratio calculations. How to fix P0729. How to fix P0729. Step 1. Check transmission fluid level. If it's low or dirty, replace it with fresh ATF. Step 2. Inspect the ISS and OSS sensors. Check for damage or loose connections. Step 3. Test sensor voltage. Use a multimeter to check sensor readings. If faulty, replace the sensor. Step 4. Inspect wiring and connectors. Look for corrosion, loose connections, or frayed wires. Step 5. Check the valve body and solenoids. If fluid is clean but shifting issues persist, the valve body may need service. Step 6. Reprogram or replace PCM. If all else fails, PCM reprogramming or replacement might be needed. Step 7. Clear the code and test drive. Use an OBD-II scanner to reset the code and monitor shifting performance. Final words. Ignoring P0729 can lead to serious transmission failure and costly repairs. Fixing this issue early ensures a smoother and safer drive. For more car repair tips, check out these videos. P0714. Transmission fluid temperature sensor circuit intermittent. P0715. Input turbine speed sensor circuit malfunction. Like, share and subscribe to IG Garage for expert car diagnostics.